Good afternoon, sir. Welcome on board. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
Thank you. You are in seat 18A, near the window. Please, this way.
Great, I like window seats.
May I help you with your bag?
Oh, yes, please. It's a bit heavy.
No problem. I'll put it in the overhead compartment.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please, take your seat and fasten your seatbelt.
Excuse me, how long is the flight?
The flight will take about 6 hours.
Okay, that's not too bad. Will we have dinner on board?
Yes, sir. We will serve dinner about 1 hour after takeoff.
Perfect. And what about drinks?
We will offer soft drinks, juice, tea, coffee.
Great. One more question. Can I use my phone?
During takeoff and landing, mobile phones must be switched off. After takeoff, you can use it in airplane mode.
I see. Thank you. Excuse me, is it safe to fly today?
Yes, sir. The weather is good, and our pilots are very experienced. You don't need to worry.
That's good to hear. I'm a little nervous about flying.
Don't worry. Many passengers feel nervous, but it is one of the safest ways to travel. The seatbelt sign is now off. You may move around the cabin.
Thank you. Could I have a blanket, please?
Of course. Here you are.
And maybe a pillow, too?
Certainly. Here's a pillow for you.
Thank you so much. That's very kind.
You're welcome. Excuse me, sir. Would you like something to drink before dinner?
Yes. Could I have an orange juice, please?
Certainly. With ice?
No, thank you. Just juice.
Here you are. Dinner will be served in about 20 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Dinner is ready. Today we have 2 options: chicken with rice or pasta with vegetables.
I think I'll have the chicken with rice.
Very good. Here you are. And would you like bread with it?
Yes, please. And what drinks are available?
We have water, juice, tea, coffee.
I'll take some, please.
Here you go. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, could I ask you something?
Of course. How can I help?
How long have you been a flight attendant?
For about 7 years. I really enjoy it.
Wow, that's a long time. Do you travel to many countries?
Yes, I've visited more than 30 countries. It's one of the best parts of my job.
That sounds amazing. I also like traveling.
Where is your favorite place?
I think Italy. The food is wonderful, and the people are very friendly.
Yes, I agree. Italy is beautiful.
Excuse me. I don't feel very well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's wrong?
I feel a bit dizzy and my stomach hurts.
Let me bring you some water. Would you like a ginger tea as well? It can help.
Yes, please.
Here you are. Please try to relax. Would you like me to move you to an aisle seat?
No, it's okay. I'll stay here.
All right, if you feel worse, please press the call button.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. That's my job.
Excuse me, do you have any chocolates?
Yes, we have Swiss and Belgian chocolates. Would you like to see the catalog?
Yes, please. Oh, these look nice. How much are they?
This box is $15 and this one is $20.
I'll take the $15 box, please.
Certainly. Here you go. Ladies and gentlemen, we will begin our descent soon. Please fasten your seatbelts.
Thank you for all your help during the flight.
You're very welcome. It was my pleasure. I hope you enjoy your stay.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir. Have a wonderful day.